Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this maintenance video we're going to talk you through how you can clean your Panasonic headphones. We've got here the RZB310 model. We're going to take you through how you can do some more sort of general daily cleaning, but also how you can do a slightly more thorough clean of your earbuds as well. So first things first, when it comes to cleaning your earbuds, and the first thing I actually want to draw your attention to is at the base of each of your earbuds, you're going to have these contact points for charging. They're going to be at the bottom of each headphone. And I also want to show you, don't know if it's going to pick up on the camera very well, but the contact points that are also in the bottom of the charge cradle there. You might have just briefly seen them. This is what we're going to focus on first, because many people completely forget to clean these contact points. It's really important, and it's brilliant for extending the lifespan of the battery and for great charging of your headphones. So what we're going to use is our trusty friend, the cotton swab, and we're going to take this cotton swab, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use it on the contact points of the headphone. Now what you can do is gently dampen the tip of the cotton swab, and then sort of press it with your fingers so that it makes a bit of a point, and just very, very gently you can dab it on the contact points of the bottom of the headphone there. Very, very gently, just to remove any dust and debris that can build up. Now using the other end of the cotton swab, so the dry end, we can go in to the charge cradle, and we can go into those areas there where the contact points are. When you put the cotton swab in, you should be able to feel the contact points at the bottom. They're slightly raised bits of metal, so you should be able to feel that with the tip of the cotton swab. Don't be too heavy-handed, be nice and gentle, and just try and get away any little bits of dust that build up there. Honestly, it will do wonders for the charging and the longevity of your headphones. Now, keeping hold of our cotton bud, I actually recommend you get a fresh one for this bit. We're going to remove the earbuds from your headphones. So we're going to invert the earbud. We're then going to gently grab it and pull the earbud off. And what we're going to do now is we're going to sort of inspect this earbud and have a look to see if we can do a bit of cleaning on it. So most common thing you'll find is earwax buildup. So you can go in the center hole there with your swab, give it a good rotate. Also you can go around the outside. Recommend inverting it as well, checking to see if there's any grime or earwax that's built up around there. Give it a really good wipe with the cotton bud. Once you're happy with that, we're going to then have a look at the headphone itself, because of course this can also have quite a bit of wax build up, and you can just again very gently brush away any earwax with a dry cotton swab that has built up around there as well. Be really gentle at that part. And so that's pretty much the daily sort of cleaning that you can do on your Panasonic headphones. If you find that actually you've got quite a bit of grime building up on your earbud and you think you need to do a bit more of a thorough clean, you can, as you can see here, take a bowl of warm water with a little bit, just a little bit of neutral soap or detergent. You can pop that in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the earbud and we're going to dunk it in the water a little bit, and we're going to sort of manipulate it with the tips of our fingers to make sure that we're really carefully getting every bit of grime and muck out of the earbud. So here we go. We're going to dunk it in now. There we go. Give it a really good thorough. You can sort of feel with your fingers whether you're getting everything. Once you're happy, you've gotten everything, we're going to take it out and we're going to pop it straight away on a dry piece of kitchen roll. Now earbuds don't like really drip drying, so we're going to pat this dry straight away. It's really best if you can dry it nice and thoroughly and nice and quickly as well. So just gently make sure that gets nice and dry. And invert it again, make sure you get all the water out there. I'm going to give it a little check. Once you're happy that you've gotten everything, there's a little bit more there on the inside. There we are. I think that's pretty good, nice and dry. Doesn't feel wet in any way. Once you're happy that that is nice and dry, we're going to reattach it onto our earpiece, which can be a little fiddly with these, so you just need to be a little bit careful. There's a tiny bit more water on it there. Don't want that to go in. And just pop that back on. There we are. And there we go. That is how you can clean your Panasonic headphones. Really important you keep up with your headphone maintenance. As I say, it can do wonders for the longevity of your product. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.